So page 33, problem number 4. Anil and Sunil are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2, old ratio. They admit Ashok as a new partner for 1/4 share. So Ashok will be given 1/4 share. The new profit sharing ratio between Anil and Sunil will be 2:1. So for Anil and Sunil, they have told here, and for Ashok, they have given the sentence here. So total share is according to that 1/4 means 4 is the total. So how it comes, we'll see. Calculate sacrifice ratio. This is what given. So here, let me go for it. Problem number 4.
So here we should take the new profit sharing ratio.
Yeah. New only we'll be calculating, but here they have given a information in a different way. That's it. Other than that, nothing new here. So Anil and Sunil, 3:2. That is 3/5 and 2/5. New ratio of Anil, Sunil and Ashok is equal to 2:1:1. That is equal to 4. How? Please remember, they have given 1/4 for the new partner, Ashok. They have given for others 2:1. So here it is 2/4 for one, 1/4 for other person, the Sunil. The new partner is 1/4. So that is what you have to understand here. Ashok is given 1/4 share in the future profits. So they have not told directly 2:1:1. They have told for him 1/4. So 1/4 is total shares in the firm is 4. So 2 if you give it to Anil, 1 you give it to Sunil, 1 will be remaining. That will go to Ashok. That is 1/4. That is what the one given therein. So sacrifice ratio, as usual, same formula. First for Anil, we'll calculate old share of Anil 3/5 minus new one 2/4. So if you take here, it becomes like this. That is 2/4 is to 1/4 is to 1/4 only. So in that way, so it is 2/4. Tell me.
Sir, in the formula, if we write as SR, sir, will they cut marks, sir?
Possible.
Because I lost my marks, sir, there only.
That is why I write so many things, so that you will never lose even a single marks therein. That is why I keep telling you, please focus the way I write, try to follow that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You are working at home and all, you think fine, but if you practice only, it will come.
Yes,
Then
sir.
only you can write in the exam. So I'll go for LCM 5 into 4, 20. So here, when we go for further simplification,
It is
20
12
divided by 20 divided by 4 is 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus
10.
So that will be 2/20 for Anil. Sunil then 2/5 minus 1/4. So LCM remains the same, 20. But we have to simplify further. Eight minus 5. That is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. 3/20. So sacrifice ratio 2/20 and 3/20. So in a way it is 2:3. Problem number 5, page 33. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So it's the old ratio given. They admit Z into the partnership. So Z is a new partner. X agrees to surrender. Underline the word surrender. This is the hint. It's a new case. So they are given here how much each partner sacrifice or surrender to the new partner. Surrender 1/2. That is 1/2 of his share, and Y agrees to surrender 1/4 of his share in favor of new partner Z. Calculate the sacrifice ratio. So underline here the word surrender. That is most important over here. So the case 2, read the heading carefully. When the old partners surrender a part of their share to the new partner. That's why I told the word surrender. The formula will be bit different here. Given old ratio of X and Y is equal to 3:2. That's all given. Here the formula is bit different than the earlier because situation is different. So sacrifice ratio is equal to old share multiplied by
Surrendered share.
Surrendered share. So this is the new working. You have to remember this one. So we'll work for the old partner X. So old share is 3/5.
3/5.
Because total will be 5 only. Multiplied by surrendered share. So how much X agrees to surrender? That is 1/2 is the surrender value. So 1/2. So that is equal to, how will you calculate that? So numerator into numerator, denominator into
3/10.
denominator. So 3 into 1 is 3, by 5 into 2 is 10. So next for Y, same formula, old share multiplied by surrendered share. So how much Y is sacrificing? Y is sacrificing or surrendering 1/4 share. Remember, 1/4 share. So into 1/4. So again, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator.
2/20.
2 divided by 20. So, but here is the numerator same. Check it out.
No, sir, it's different.
But
Yeah.
sir, you can simplify, no, sir?
Yeah, we can make the other one 10 in 10, we can convert that into 20. That becomes easier. Or we had to go for
So for 3 by 10, we can multiply, sir, 2.
yeah, 3 by 10 into 2 we can make it, because 10 we have to denominator to be converted into higher one, lower denominator into higher one we have to convert. So that way also we can do, or we can go for LCM also. Which way you feel comfortable, you can do that. So which way shall I do that?
So we'll multiply 10 into 2.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
Then it is going to be 3 into 10 to be multiplied by 2. That will be 6 by 20. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
And 2 by 20.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Can't we
Then
simplify 2 divided by 20 to 1 by 10?
what is that? Come back.
Sir, there is 2 by 20, no, sir. Can we convert it to 1 by 10?
How 1 by 10?
2 ones are 2 tens.
No. See, the lower denominator should be converted into higher denominator. 10 should
Okay,
become 20. 10 should become 20 means multiplied by 2. Correct? Huh?
yes, sir.
So when your denominator, you are converting that into 20 multiplied by 2, even numerator also to be multiplied by 2.
Okay, sir.
So 10 has to convert into 20 means 10 into 2, 20. So 3 into 2, 3 into 2 is also to be done. That becomes 6 into 20. Sorry, 6 by 20.
Okay.
Common
Okay,
number.
sir.
Common number. That's why I told other method is nothing but taking a this one LCM. That's what I told you. If you want, I will show that method also.
No, sir, I understood.
Okay, fine. So otherwise, similarly, what we have done in the previous one, same way, we have to take a LCM and we have to go for finding the value. But we have to be careful when we are converting this smaller denominator into higher denominator.
Okay, sir.
So problem number 6, we will move on to. Ram and Rahim are partners sharing profits and losses equally. Underline the word equally. They admit Charlene into partnership. Ram agrees to surrender. Underline the word surrender. 1/3 share. And Rahim agrees to surrender 1/4 share to Charlene. Calculate sacrifice ratio. So equally is the word. You have to remember. So given whole share of Ram and Rahim is equal to 1:1. Remember, that is equally. So Ram surrenders 1/3 of his share to Rahim to Charlie. Rahim surrenders 1/4 of his share to Charlie. So we'll go for formula. So Ram whole share is 1/2
1 by 2.
multiplied by
1 by 3.
1/3. So that will be
1 by 6.
Yeah, 1 by 6. Perfect. Next for Rahim, 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 4.
1 by 8.
1 by 8. See here also you find the numerator is not same. So there you have to go for like an
Denominator,
LCM.
sir.
Yeah, common number you have to take out and work it out. So if you work like that, it becomes 6 into 8. 48. So when you go for that, 48 divided by 6, that is 8. 8 into 1. So 8, that is 2. Then 48 divided by 8 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So in a way, it is 8 by 6. Eight is to 6. So you can simplify. Common number is 2. 4 is to 3. So 8 is to
Sir?
6. Common number is 2. So divide 8 and 6 by 2. You get 4 is to 3. That is the answer.